the first part of our series, we went back in time and met up with Indian television's first soap stars and the directors who made television which came from life.
हम माता पिताओं को टीचर्स से मिलते रहना चाहिए. ये हमारी बेटी के भविष्य का सवाल है.
No gimmickry, no garage sets,
आप निकलिए ना.
and no need to check for ratings because there was only one channel. Good old Doordarshan.
अरे इसमें माफी मांगने की क्या जरूरत है?
ये है सोफा कम बेड और बेड कम सोफा. सोफा का सोफा, बेड का बेड.
In today's concluding episode, we'll meet up with those actors who lit up many a drab evening in the 80s. Yes, television in the 80s had a crackling sense of humor. And the ability to laugh at itself. So let's rewind to the days when gentle humor, satire, and situational comedy on TV made us laugh along.
ये टाइम है तेरे आने का.
The next stop on a nostalgia trip is Swami from Malgudi days. Manjunath Nayakar, better known as Swami, is now a PR professional and lives in Bangalore. We couldn't resist catching up with him.
हिंदुस्तान के हवामान के बारे में तुम क्या जानते हो?
गर्मी के मौसम में गर्मी होती है सर, और सर्दियों में ठंडी.
बेंच पे खड़े हो जाओ.
Manjunath's cheeky, innocent charm was a winning combination for his role as the irrepressible brat Swami.
तू मर्द है? किस कुत्ते को शक है? किस कुत्ते को शक है?
We asked him to recall what it meant to be Swami.
तू कल आएगा ना नदी के पास?
The cheeky innocence in mind. I didn't have to prepare anything. I didn't know Hindi at that time, so I had to learn Hindi, and we shot this in English too, so I had to get my English grammar right.
Those were heady days for Manjunath, and the ultimate compliment came from the master himself, author R.K. Narayan.
He kind of gave me one of my most unforgettable compliment, saying that you're exactly how I imagined Swami to be. I placed that above all the awards that I've received.
अगर छुट्टियों में भी पढ़ना हो तो छुट्टियां देते क्यों हैं?
Manjunath won a national award for the serial at the age of 11, and his Swami act is remembered till today.
I don't miss the limelight. I do feel nostalgic for all the fun that we had on the sets. I miss the hustle bustle and activity, but yeah, my current job keeps me as it is.
Manjunath may have moved on, but not everyone is able to shake off the tag of a popular comic character. Actor Anjan Srivastav is still remembered for his bumbling portrayal of famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman's Common Man, the eponymous Wagle from Wagle Ki Duniya.
My name is called Anjan Srivastav Wagle.
मैं पिछले 2 महीने से चक्कर लगा रहा हूँ.
People see me as if I am in a cage and I am some animal. The expressions, as if they are seeing comedy. It's full comedy. When they see me, they start laughing. Why, I don't know. I feel very awkward, no doubt. So sometimes I put a cap and just move around.
This happens with actors, unfortunately, that they get labeled as something, and then he can do something more, but to get out of it, takes time.
Wagle has given me a name, a stature, big respect. I know still people, पुलिस वाला सैल्यूट मारता है, एक ब्यूरोक्रेट भी जाते हैं तो उठ के खड़ा हो जाता है आज भी. 20 years have passed.
With Wagle, R.K. Lakshman's Common Man not only got a name, but also a face.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Verma.
The credit goes to director Kundan Shah for creating this satire on the simple life of a middle-class Indian family, which stood out for its superlative performances and finely etched sensitive moments.
When I joined Wagle Ki Duniya, I was very clear that I'm an extension of Mr. Lakshman's sensibilities. So Wagle Ki Duniya is his sensibility, it is his world, it is his way of looking at things.
Wagle, definitely this character is immortal.
See the fun?
If Wagle Ki Duniya mirrored our world with all its potholes, Basu Chatterjee's Kakka Ji Kahin took political satire to an entirely new level.
वो ऐसा है भैया कि हमारे गांव देहात में कहत हैं भैंस से बड़ी अकल, वो ये भी कहत हैं सबसे बड़ा रुपया. Brain is bigger than buffalo, but money is bigger than both.
Om Puri featured in the title role of an amoral, loud and thick-skinned Netaji.
Basu Chatterjee decided it and he approached me and I was quite thrilled because it was a political satire. You know, there were serious undertones. And it was extremely popular, not only in the north, but I was surprised that even in the south. देखा डायरेक्टर साहब, इका कहता है और
मैं बोलेगा तो तुम लोग बोलेगा कि मैं बोलता है, मैं क्या क्यों बोलेगा, मैं कुछ कौन बोला है?
Kundan was very against me. He didn't want me to play Maria.
ऐसा ही होगा, मेरा दिल कहता है.
This show brought to you by Maggi sauces. अब 8 अनोखे फ्लेवर्स में. It's different. Lay's हर प्रोग्राम का main food.
फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो.
तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. 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 लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे. हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे. ओ लगा हाथ के सूरज सुबह निकाला करे. हथेलियों में भरे धूप और उछाला करे. उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो अकड़ के चलो. उफक पे पाँव रखो और चलो पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. फलक पकड़ के उठो और हवा पकड़ के चलो. तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले. हिंदुस्तान चले. चलो.
Want to lose weight? Don't sweat it out. Just take a dip. Beat the heat and lose some inches with Aqua Aerobics.
All about her at these times, only on Times Now Weekend.
Brought to you by करे बीमारी फैलाने वाले मच्छरों की एंट्री बंद. All out मच्छरों का यमराज. Simplymarry.com, the easiest way to get married. Lay's हर प्रोग्राम का main food.
He's gone over the top and when he does that,
From India's most high-profiled business events to the biggest stories.
You're watching Business Buzz on Times Now.
India is now part of the global economy.
From the markets to the corporates.
This is India happening and we are just a part of India happening.
Backed by the Economic Times and Reuters.
It all comes down to having better products at lower total cost of ownership, and I think we've done it.
Times Now keeps you ahead on business.
Bringing every Indian to its true potential. It's important to transform lives of people.
And not just the numbers. Business Buzz. Weekdays at these times, only on Times Now.
Can you imagine television that made a bad day seem suddenly bearable? TV characters that put a smile on your face and humor that actually made you laugh? Well, TV way back then was all this and more. It went beyond the plastic.
भूलिएगा मत, जरूर आइएगा। हरी साइकिल मार्ट। अरे चलो कादर भाई की दुकान पर टीवी का टाइम हो गया।
In 1986, the trio of Aziz Mirza, Saeed Mirza and Kundan Shah made Nukkad.
सुना है आजकल टीवी पे ब्रेकफास्ट आता है। ब्रेकफास्ट बोले तो? अरे नाश्ता। फॉरेन में उसको ब्रेकफास्ट बोलता है।
Woven around the life and times of an eclectic bunch of people who lived on a street corner on Nukkad.
मैं बोलेगा तो तुम लोग बोलेगा कि मैं बोलता है। मैं क्या क्यों बोलेगा? मैं कुछ नहीं। कौन बोला है? देख गुरुदेव, ये गणपत बोला, मैं कुछ नहीं बोला।
Light-hearted but not frivolous, this was comedy that made a comment.
हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, सबको हमारे नए साल का
And characters like Guru,
टीचर जी, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Radha,
मेरे
Khopri, Ghanshu, Ganpat, Hari, and of course Kadir Bhai became everyone's favorite neighborhood gang.
Well, it had all the ingredients for not being successful because so many characters, stories of so many characters. So when we began, everybody thought this can never work.
तुम लोग सब लोग मिलके मेरे को टोपी पहनाने को आए हो।
अरे ना, इसको कैसे पता चला अपन टोपी पहनाने के लिए आए थे?
It was not a fairyland Nukkad, but it had problems and then it had its human qualities. I think the human qualities which made it more appealing to the audience.
कादर भाई, कादर भाई.
If Nukkad became popular because of its unusual cast, Kundan Shah's next serial, Circus, is still remembered because of its unusual pairing. Shah Rukh Khan played Shekhar and Renuka Shahane was paired opposite him as Maria.
Kundan was very against me. He didn't want me to play Maria. He was not very happy with my choice. And we used to shoot nights, which is not my time to shoot. And Kundan Shah used to really make me climb up the ladder. And you know, I was supposed to have height fright as Maria, and I have height fright in real life also. So I was petrified, and I used to be screaming and crying even between shots because I was so scared. But Kundan Shah used to always tell me, no, emote more, let it be real. I said, this is real, this can't be even more real than this.
I had seen Shah Rukh in a couple of episodes, which he did in Delhi, which is Fauji and some other. And I told Aziz and Saeed that he can fit this. It was just a 2-episode role. And after that, the main character who was doing Circus had to drop out for some reason. So that main slot became empty, and by that time we had worked with Shah Rukh and he was just magic to work with, in a way. So we just put him into Circus.
अब तो भगवान से यही प्रार्थना है कि ये शो खुशी-खुशी हो जाए.
But I must say that, he used to have this Punjabi accent to his Hindi, and I remember Aziz Mirza had told him once that, listen, why don't you cut down your Punjabi accent and make it more Shuddh Hindi? So there was this one sequence where I was very upset with him. Maria was very upset with him, and his character comes and says that, Maria, I'm so sorry, tum mujhse naraz ho. And because of his Punjabi, he used to say naraz, and Aziz uncle said, it's not naraz, say naraz. So in that scene, he kept before the scene was done, he kept rehearsing it and saying, Maria, tum mujhse naraz ho. And finally, when the take happened and I came out of the church and came towards him, he came to me and said, Maria, tum to anar ho. And all of us burst out laughing because poor chap, he had, I think, over-rehearsed it. And then he never got over his Punjabi accent.
Today, we might not get to see Guru, Hari or Maria on our telescreens anymore. And there is no trace of Raja or Renu either. But how can we recall the 80s brand of television without recalling the absolutely hilarious Ye Jo Hai Zindagi? Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. Every Friday evening at 8:30 p.m, the state Doordarshan forgot about Krishi Darshan and developed a sense of humor.
आप हमारी एक बात मानेंगे अंकल? बोलो बेटे, जरूर मानेंगे। आप टेलीफोन को लग दीजिए, ये लॉन्ग नंबर है।
ये जो है जिंदगी caught on and how it went on to become one of the most popular comedies of all time. After this break, we'll catch up with Renu and Raja after 23 years for a chat on those good old days.
ये जो है जिंदगी.
They write the history of Indian television. We are going to be in the forefront.
मैं वो खाता हूँ ये गाजर, दिमाग से बिल्कुल दुरुस्त रहता है.
From India's most high-profile business events to the biggest stories.
You're watching Business Buzz on Times Now.
India is now part of the global economy.
From the markets to the corporates.
This is India happening, and we are just a part of India happening.
Backed by the Economic Times and Reuters.
It all comes down to having better products at lower total cost of ownership, and I think we've done it.
Times Now keeps you ahead on business.
Bringing every Indian to its true potential. It's important to transform lives of people.
And not just the numbers. Business Buzz. Weekdays at these times, only on Times Now.
Brought to you by Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Jaisi Zarurat, Vaisa Insurance. HP All-in-One. Print, scan, copy, fax. State Bank of India. Pure banking, nothing else.
Start your day on the right note.
Good morning and welcome to News Now Morning. Bright, cheerful day ahead for you.
Be informed and power-packed.
And get your first dose of news from the world of politics, business, sports, glitz and glamour.
On India's most comprehensive news bulletin.
The developing stories and the follow-ups. The big story yesterday and what could be the big story today.
News Now Morning. Daily at these times, only on Times Now.
Hello and welcome to The Foodie. This is a special episode, an episode which is going to get you high and definitely not leave you dry. What I mean is, this is an episode on wine and cooking with wine.
The Foodie at these times, only on Times Now Weekend.
Brought to you by New Maggi Rice Noodle Mania. Goodness of rice. Taste me, health me. Sunhere Lamo Ki Zaban. Sona. Gitanjali Gold presents Maya. Quaker Oats. Energy that helps you keep going.
I may think of Raj, but even Mr. Rane comes, I will not. Whatever the politics is, ours is a blood relationship.
From India's most high-profile business events to the biggest stories.
You're watching Business Buzz on Times Now.
India is now part of the global economy.
From the markets to the corporates.
This is India happening, and we are just a part of India happening.
Backed by the Economic Times and Reuters.
It all comes down to having better products at lower total cost of ownership, and I think we've done it.
Times Now keeps you ahead on business.
Bringing every Indian to its true potential. It's important to transform lives of people.
And not just the numbers. Business Buzz. Weekdays at these times, only on Times Now.
No.
Some critics said it's a contrived film.
BJP MP is coming. It is, I'm sole responsible for this.
For all your attempts to change your image, you were denied a visa.
सारी दुनिया अमेरिका से डरती है.
Look at me in the eye and say you don't want to be foreign with.
Politics is not about being nice to each other.
Totally baseless.
It's a very Bengali thing, isn't it?
Bengali.
Frankly speaking, आपने बहुत सही है.
Frankly Speaking with Arnab at these times, only on Times Now Weekend.
ये जो है जिंदगी
मीठी थोड़ी खट्टी और थोड़ी तीखी.
ये जो है जिंदगी is credited as the first sitcom on Indian television.
अरे तुम कहाँ इन 2 टके के नौकरों के साथ घूम रही हो?
ये मेरे हस्बैंड.
हेलो, मैं अरे गैरों से हाथ नहीं मिलाता.
This laugh ride became an instant hit. So much so that actor Jitendra once complained that the box office openings in cinemas were affected for the Friday evening show. Now let's relive some of those good old memories with actors Swaroop Sampath and Rakesh Bedi.
एक अलग ही है मजा.
ये जो है जिंदगी added so much color to many of our drab evenings. How do you all look back now?
Firstly, let me thank you for making me meet and making her meet me together.
After so long.
After so long.
Really long, really long.
While making the serial on the sets and things like that, did you all imagine it to be such a huge success? Was
No, not a success. I can still, if I close my eyes, see the whole scene. One night I'd gone to Warden Road to have ice cream. There was this snowman thing. And there was this couple from Delhi. And the man comes and says,